So in today's video we will talk about the fault and parts of fault. So what is fault? Fault is basically fracture or displacement along rock beds which results due to stress or tensional forces, and it is a type of brittle deformation. This is a rock bed, and due to tensional forces generally there is a displacement in the rock beds. This is a fault. Now we will move towards the parts of the fault. First is the fault plane. Fault plane is the fractured surface or plane along with the movement or slipping has take place. This is represented by F. Now, upthrow side. It is a block of the rock which is lying above the fault plane. And then downthrow side, it is the block of rock which is lying above the fault plane. Now throw. Throw is the vertical component of displacement. When a displacement has taken place, so there are two components. First is the vertical and second is the horizontal movement. The vertical movement is called the throw and the horizontal movement is called the heave. Now hanging wall and footwall. The hanging wall and footwall varies with the type of fault. But generally the hanging wall is below the fault plane and footwall is above the fault plane. But in case of reverse fault this can be changed, and generally to identify the hanging wall and footwall we draw 90 degree to the fault plane. If it point upwards in the sky, then it will represent a hanging wall, and if it point downwards below it will result in a footwall. Suppose this is the fault plane F. We draw perpendicular to this fault plane, so this is the hanging wall. We draw perpendicular here, then it is pointing upwards, so this area will be the hanging wall. And now its opposite will be obviously footwall. I'm summarizing the all the parts of the fault. This is the fault plane represented by F. This is up throw side, this is down throw side, and generally this is the hanging wall, this is the foot wall, And now explaining the throw and heave. This is the throw, it is the vertical component of displacement. This is heave, which is horizontal component of displacement. This is angle is the head. This angle is the head. And a special point is that head plus dip is equal to 90 degrees. Now that's it for today's video.